$500,000. That's what most companies were spending to build custom AI systems just 2 years ago. 6 to 12 months of development, teams of specialized engineers, and by the time it launches, the technology's already outdated. But here's what's wild. In 2026, that model is dead. 85% of enterprises are abandoning in-house AI development for something completely different. Something that costs as little as $10 per month, deploys in days instead of months, and delivers ROI faster than any custom build ever could. It's called AI as a service, and if you're running a business in 2026 and you haven't heard about this shift, you're about to fall dangerously behind. Let me show you why. Let's talk about why the old model is broken. Traditional in-house AI development, the kind most companies were doing until very recently, required massive upfront investment. We're talking $500,000 to $2 million just to get started. You'd need to hire specialized engineers, data scientists, ML engineers, each one costing 6 figures annually. Then you'd wait 6 to 12 months for development. And here's the kicker. By the time your custom solution finally launches, the AI landscape has already evolved. OpenAI released GPT-5, Google updated their models, and your cutting-edge system is already playing catch-up. But the nightmare doesn't end there. Maintenance costs? Another 20 to 30% of your initial investment, every single year. Updates, bug fixes, security patches, it never stops bleeding money. Now imagine this instead. What if you could access the exact same AI capabilities, sometimes even better ones, for a monthly subscription that costs less than your company's coffee budget? That's not a hypothetical. That's happening right now. So what exactly is AI as a service? Think of it like Netflix for artificial intelligence. Instead of building your own movie studio from scratch, you subscribe to a platform that gives you instant access to the latest AI models, tools, and capabilities. You pay for what you use. You scale up or down based on your needs. And you're always working with the most current technology because the platform handles all the updates. The numbers are stunning. Where traditional development costs $500,000 to $2 million upfront, AIaaS subscriptions start at $10 to $100 per month per user. That's not a typo. We're talking about a 99% cost reduction for comparable functionality. And according to Gartner, by the end of 2026, 85% of enterprises will be using AIaaS platforms as their primary AI strategy. This isn't some fringe trend. This is the mainstream shift. Shopify, massive e-commerce platform, integrated OpenAI's GPT models through AIaaS to power their customer service chatbots. Result? Response times dropped by 40%. Customer satisfaction increased, and sales conversions jumped 15%. All of that from a subscription service they implemented in weeks, not months. Or take AWS Bedrock, Amazon's AIaaS platform. Small and medium businesses are using it to build intelligent agents that automate inventory management, customer inquiries, and data analysis. No coding required, no expensive dev team. Just drag, drop, configure, and deploy. Here's what matters most: ROI. With traditional AI, you're looking at 18 to 24 months to break even, if you're lucky. With AIaaS, 75% of adopters see positive ROI within 3 to 6 months. That's the difference between a strategic bet and a proven profit center. Okay, so you're convinced. Now what? How do you actually implement this in your business? Step 1. Identify your highest impact use case. Don't try to do everything at once. Where is your business hemorrhaging time or money? Customer service, marketing content, data entry, sales outreach? Pick one area where AI automation would create immediate, measurable value. Step 2. Choose your platform. The big players are OpenAI for general-purpose AI, AWS Bedrock for custom agents, Microsoft Azure AI for enterprise integration, and Google Vertex AI for data-heavy operations. Here's the quick breakdown. OpenAI, best for content, chatbots, simple automation. Cost, $10 to $50 per month. Easiest to start. AWS Bedrock, best for custom agents, no-code builds. Cost, pay per use, approximately $50 to $200 per month for SMBs. Azure AI, best for enterprise, Microsoft ecosystem. Cost, $100 to $500 per month. Powerful, but complex. Google Vertex, best for predictive analytics, data science. Cost, variable, $75 to $300 per month typical. Step 3. Run a pilot project. Don't commit your entire operation. Take that one use case from step 1 and test it for 30 to 60 days. Track specific metrics: time saved, revenue increase, cost reduction, customer satisfaction scores. Step 4. Scale what works. If your pilot delivers ROI, and statistically it probably will, roll it out company-wide. Then move to your next highest impact area and repeat the process. Pro tip: use integration platforms like Zapier or Make to connect your AI AAS tools to your existing systems, CRM, email, project management. No custom coding required. Everything talks to everything else. Now let's talk about the mistakes that kill most AI AAS implementations, because this isn't foolproof. Mistake number 1. Vendor lock-in. Don't build your entire business on one platform's proprietary features. Choose platforms that support open standards and easy data export. You want the flexibility to switch if pricing changes or a better option emerges. Mistake 2. Ignoring data privacy and security. This is critical. If you're handling customer data, financial information, or healthcare records, you must verify your AI AAS provider is compliant with GDPR, HIPAA, or whatever regulations apply to your industry. Don't skip this. One data breach will cost you infinitely more than any AI savings. Mistake 3. Over-automating too fast. Yes, AI can do a lot. No, you shouldn't automate every single process on day 1. Keep humans in the loop for customer-facing decisions. Start with internal operations where errors are less costly. Build confidence before you scale. Mistake 4. Not tracking ROI. If you can't measure it, you can't prove it's working. Set clear KPIs before you start. Track them religiously. ROI isn't just about money saved. It's also about time freed up, quality improved, and revenue increased. Let's zoom out for a second. What does this shift really mean for businesses? By the end of 2026, AI as a service will be as fundamental to business operations as cloud storage or email. Companies that adopt it early, right now, gain a 12 to 18-month competitive advantage. They automate faster, operate leaner, and scale cheaper than competitors still stuck in the old model. We're seeing massive players like NVIDIA partnering with AI AAS platforms to make this tech accessible to everyone. The playing field is leveling. Small businesses can now compete with Fortune 500 companies using the exact same AI capabilities. That's unprecedented. The question isn't whether to adopt AI AAS. That ship has sailed. The question is how quickly you can implement it and how strategically you can leverage it before your competitors do. Because mark my words, the businesses that win in 2027 and beyond won't be the ones with the biggest budgets or the most employees. They'll be the ones that moved fastest on AI automation. And AI AAS is the fastest path there is. So here's what I want you to do next. First, pick one business process you want to automate. Just one. Write it down right now. Second, choose a platform from the list we covered. Start with OpenAI if you're unsure, and sign up for a free trial. Most offer 30 days free, zero risk. Third, run a 30-day pilot and track your results. I guarantee you'll see measurable improvement. And if you want help implementing this in your specific business, I'm offering free 15-minute strategy consultations. Link is in the description. Let's figure out exactly where AIaaS can save you the most money and time. If this video helped you understand the AI shift happening right now, hit that subscribe button. I break down AI strategy for SMB owners every single week. No hype, just actionable tactics you can implement immediately. Drop a comment and tell me, what's the one business process you'd automate first? I read every comment and I'll give you personalized recommendations. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.